Here we are at the property on Oregon. Just need a really good kind of deep cleaning on this. You see the floors, it looks like it's drywall dust everywhere. It's all over the doors and stuff. Just need it kind of cleaned up real good. All these ledges have dust on them. See the vents there. All the window sills. Inside the closets on the shelves, it's got a ton of dust. So I need somebody to come over and just kind of give this a good once over. We got tenants hopefully going to be moving in here soon. Yeah, look at all this dust up here. That's it. You can just see it's real dusty on top of these ledges. In the bathroom here, I think we probably need this cleaned up. Like under there you can see. I'm not sure how the toilet and the tub look because there's no light in here. So I'm hoping you can change out the light bulb too. You see we got this moldy stuff on here. Need to clean all that up. Get this all nice and sparkly. Yeah, we can't have that. Probably toilet needs to be cleaned out. Probably got to clean up inside these cabinets. Oh, there's a key. Yeah, all this stuff. Need to clean this stuff out really good. Clean out the appliances. Although the owner might want to switch those out. I'm not sure yet, but I'll know like probably within an hour what he wants to do with that. So, all right, let me know. Thanks, bye.